Look how colorful and beautiful this snail shell is. I usually only see snail shells that are gray or brown. This one's so beautiful. I tried to look it up. I'm not really sure. It's some sort of, perhaps an Ora, wait, an Oregon, Oregonian? Oregon, but it would be Oregonian. Oregonian snail. It's hard to pronounce. But I don't know. Apparently, we have over 200 different snails and slugs species here in the Northwest. I don't know which one this is, but it sure is pretty. And then the rest of the recording that you'll hear is a nice couple came up that we had asked to not step on the snail because we were taking pictures of it, and they got all excited about the snail too. And that was a lot of fun to have shared that experience in the woods with this other couple and this beautiful snail. Enjoy.
Oh, still. Oh, take a picture. Oh my God.
Look how long he is.
여기 지금 저 뭐
It's
나와가지고 가잖아.
It's pretty.
뭐가?
그죠? 달팽이.
요거. 이게 달팽이?
응.
오.